At Arham, we manufacture high quality FRP and GRP canopies that protect transmitters, junction boxes, electrical instruments, and other sensitive equipments. GRP canopies are lightweight yet extremely strong, easy to install, and resistant to corrosion, even in harsh coastal and chemical environments. Unlike metal, GRP never rusts and it provides excellent heat and electrical insulation. Designed to withstand direct sunlight, heavy rains, and dust, our canopies ensure long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. At Arham, we also have our own in-house laboratory where every metal is tested as per European standards to guarantee unmatched reliability. Arham, engineered for protection, built for endurance.